Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing 7 effective ways that communities in Tanzania can conserve water resources. The first method is through rainwater harvesting, which involves collecting rainwater and storing it for future use. Another way to conserve water is by fixing leaky faucets and pipes, as even small leaks can waste significant amounts of water. Using low-flow water fixtures is also crucial in reducing water consumption, such as installing water-efficient toilets and showerheads. Implementing water recycling systems is an effective method to maximize water usage, where wastewater is treated and reused for non-potable purposes. Promoting awareness and education about water conservation practices is essential to encourage communities to adopt water-saving behaviors. Encouraging the installation of water meters can help individuals monitor and regulate their water consumption more efficiently. Implementing water-saving technologies, like drip irrigation systems, can significantly reduce water usage in agricultural practices. Supporting initiatives to protect and restore natural water sources, such as rivers and lakes, is crucial in maintaining a sustainable water supply. Implementing water scarcity contingency plans can help communities respond effectively in times of drought or water shortage. Promoting community participation in water management, such as establishing water committees, can help ensure sustainable and equitable water distribution. Remember, by implementing these 7 methods, we can work together to conserve water resources and create a sustainable future for Tanzania.